Hello everyone, welcome to this week's MWF Tech Tip Thursdays. Today we're going to be jumping into Onyx once again. We're going to keep it short and sweet. Basically, I want to show you guys how to remove your panels as well as components from your Onyx account. And then also we're going to have a quick glance at how to keep track of the different versions of these components and panels that have been uploaded. So the first thing I want to do is kind of give you a quick look at what I have here. Inside of one of my Onyx folders, I've uploaded these panels from the commercial Steel Rivet 2022 project, which is what we have open right here. But I would like to delete these from this folder because I'm going to re-upload all of them into a different project. Now, I could go ahead and do that without removing them from this current project, but I'd like to keep it clean and delete these completely. So what we're going to do, and this works for the components as well as the panels, is we're going to go here inside of the upload panels within the Onyx Upload Center add-in that we have inside of Revit. So I'm going to hit this. And typically, because everything has already been uploaded, my list should be empty when this gets opened up. Okay, so once I've uploaded all of these to my project, I wouldn't be able to see anything in here because the panels would be locked, which would remind me that I've already done everything. Now I've gone ahead just before we started this video and I've unlocked all of my panels. So we're seeing all of these different panels that are already uploaded to Onyx, and right here we get to see those versions that I was just talking about. So this panel has been uploaded 4 times to that specific project, a couple of these 2 times. Now I want to remove these. So right over here under Onyx panels, these are all the different panels that you have uploaded to that project in Onyx that we're pointing at currently. So if I just open this a bit further, you'll see here that I have the current project that I'm working on. I've got a file here and another file here. So I want to look at only the panels that we currently have in this project. I'm going to select them and I'm going to go ahead and hit delete. Are you sure? Yep. And now this is going to remove all of them from the project that they were just uploaded to. Okay, so panels are now deleted and they no longer exist in that project. So if I go back here, we'll notice that now the version has switched over to version 1. This is now fresh. They no longer exist on the Onyx platform on the web. So I can double check, make sure I didn't forget any of them. Okay, so everything is now reset to 1. So I can pick all of these and then re-upload them in the proper folder that I want to basically start working with. This will also work with the components. Now, again, if I go inside of Onyx, and I've got a large list of components that I've been uploading constantly from working with different projects. So obviously you can filter these to only see the ones that you want. But for example, if some of these are no longer relevant and maybe you want to start, off fresh, just like I did with the panels, we're going to go back into Revit here under the upload sections. And again, we're going to notice the different versions that exist. So if I was to upload these, this would be version 2 now, version 2, version 3. And just over here on the left side, under Onyx components, this is where I will see every single component that I've uploaded to my Onyx account. So from here, I can go ahead and select the ones that I want to remove, for example, and hit delete. So these are going to take them out of Onyx. Now, if any of these are tied to panels, or if you have your CNC machines tied to them, I would make sure to double check that you're removing the right ones, because if these components don't exist, you won't be able to open your panels basically in the CNC editor or to generate CNC output. Once this is done, like I mentioned, now we have a fresh start, so I can start uploading components again and panels at version 1. And there's just one more little spot here that I want you guys to see. So other than seeing the version of the panels basically within the Revit portion that we were just looking at, or within these different columns here that you can turn on versions, for example, if I select one of these, and I'm going to open up the panel's information page, you'll see right here, version 3 is the latest version. So I can actually see the different dates that I've uploaded these panels. So version 1, version 2, and then version 3 was uploaded just now, actually. All right, so this is another area where you can actually keep track of the different versions that have been uploaded, as long as these are not deleted, of course. So I hope that gave you guys a quick look at basically how to remove and clean up your projects if needed. I'll see you guys again in a few weeks with another Onyx tech tip.